Alright, now let's talk about verb conjugation, starting with the present tense. In Korean, when you want to speak politely but casually, like talking to someone you don't know well or someone older, you use what's called the yo form. This is the most common way to speak in everyday Korean. So how does it work? You take the dictionary form of a verb, which always ends in
다,
and you change the ending to make it polite and present tense. Each verb changes a little differently depending on the vowel, so let's go through them one by one.
가다, 가요, 오다, 와요, 먹다, 먹어요, 마시다, 마셔요, 보다, 봐요, 하다, 해요, 사다, 사요, 자다, 자요, 읽다, 읽어요, 쓰다, 써요, 말하다, 말해요, 듣다, 들어요, 배우다, 배워요, 알다, 알아요, 좋아하다, 좋아해요, 사랑하다, 사랑해요.
And finally,
사랑하다,
to love becomes
사랑해요.
I love. You've probably heard this one in K-dramas or K-pop songs. Okay, so that's the present tense, yo form. Don't worry about memorizing every single one right now. The more you practice, the more natural these will feel. Now let's move into the past tense. To talk about something that already happened, Korean uses the endings.
왔어요, 없어요.
Depending on the vowel in the verb stem, it sounds complicated, but once you see the pattern, it clicks. I am going to read each Korean word. Please listen carefully and try to find a pattern.
갔어요, 왔어요, 먹었어요, 마셨어요, 봤어요, 했어요, 샀어요, 잤어요.
Now take a look at the pattern on the screen. Compare the present tense forms you just learned with these past tense forms. Read through them side by side. You'll start to notice how each one changes. After a few of these, you should get the concept. Once you get comfortable with the present tense forms, the past tense is really just one more step. Last one, the future tense. When you want to say you will do something, you add
리을 거예요,
or
을 거예요.
to the verb stem. Which one you use depends on whether the stem ends in a vowel or a consonant. I will read each Korean word. Please listen carefully and try to find out the rule.
갈 거예요, 올 거예요, 먹을 거예요, 마실 거예요, 볼 거예요, 할 거예요, 살 거예요, 잘 거예요.
Take a look at the pattern on the screen. Compare the rule with Korean words on the screen. You can see when you need to use
리을 거예요,
or,
을 거예요.
and that's it. You now know how to conjugate Korean verbs in all three tenses, present, past, and future. That's a huge step forward in your Korean journey. Now, I know this is a lot of information, so don't feel like you need to memorize everything right now. The key is practice. Try picking 2 or 3 verbs and using them in all 3 tenses. Say them out loud, write them down, and before you know it, it'll start to feel natural. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.